latest from ITV News Anglia with Becky Jago and David Whiteley.
Hello, good evening and welcome to ITV News Anglia.
Here's a look at tonight's main stories.
A glimpse of the future, how our region's at the forefront of a major European project trialling a self-driving shuttle bus.
It is the future, it is coming, and in towns and cities around the world over the next 2 or 3 years, you will be seeing this operational.
Hello from Becky and me and welcome to the programme.
First tonight, a glimpse into the future of public transport.
Yes, Milton Keynes has been chosen to trial a new driverless shuttle bus which can safely operate along public roads.
It comes on the heels of a similar trial in Cambridge 2 years ago, which was so successful that the wheels are in motion for more autonomous vehicles to return there early next year.
Well, our reporter Claire McGlasson took a ride on the shuttle in Milton Keynes earlier and sent us this report.
Well, if this doesn't look like an ordinary bus to you, that's because it's something quite different, not just in its looks, but on the kit that's on board. 5 sensors, 7 cameras, all of which give a 360-degree view of the streets outside. And all that means this is a bus that can drive itself. Well, 2 people who can tell us more are on board today. Jenny Wilson-Markley from Milton Keynes City Council and Miles Garner, who's from the manufacturer. Now, Miles, has to be the first question. Is it safe? How does it work?
Yes, it's ever so safe. So Origo, our company, we have been operating for over 10 years, autonomous trials all around the UK and all over Europe. And we then actually map a route, and then the vehicle then actually runs on that particular map. So it's very safe. So
braking automatically, turning automatically, looking for obstacles?
Yeah, absolutely. So we then teach the vehicle how to run, and it works out exactly as where it is in the world, and it then operates to that particular map.
On board today, though, 2 humans at the front in the cab. I'm here to keep an eye on everything.
Yeah, so currently the laws are that you have to have an operator on board that can actually take over control. And insurance really are the areas that are currently actually holding us back at the moment.
Well, thank you. I'm going to speak to Jenny now from the council. Jenny, Milton Keynes is very keen. I think Milton Keynes was the first place in the UK to trial this. The company's come back now, and people are getting journeys on this throughout the month of November. Why were you keen to take part?
Like you say, Milton Keynes is a place of innovation. It's part of who we see ourselves as. I think we're a city that was designed, so great by design, and it's the perfect place to try something like this.
What's the feedback so far?
It's not been around for very long, but from what I hear, people are really excited about it. People are really curious, and they want to know more.
The trial that's going on at the moment, which is funded by the European Union, that is looking towards the next stage of this project, which will be to take those safety operators off the vehicle itself and into a control room, which means that they could keep an eye on several of these at one time. Milton Keynes on the frontier, really, of something that could become common in future, but it will take a change in the law first. Claire McGlasson, ITV News, Milton Keynes.